Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Nuggets, the place where learning is quick, fun, and surprising. Today, we're diving into some niche, unusual fun facts that you probably haven't heard before. These aren't your everyday trivia, these are the weird, quirky, and fascinating truths that make the world a whole lot more interesting. So grab a snack, and let's jump right in. Fact number 1, did you know that wombat poop is cube-shaped? Yes, you heard that right. These little marsupials from Australia produce droppings in the shape of tiny cubes. Scientists believe it helps the poop stay in place and mark territory. Nature's geometry at work. Fact number 2, there's a jellyfish that's technically immortal. Called Turritopsis dohrnii, when it gets injured or old, it can actually revert back to its younger state and start life all over again. Imagine if humans could do that, we'd never age past 25. Fact number 3, octopuses not only have 3 hearts, but they can taste with their arms. Each arm is lined with suction cups that act like taste buds, letting them taste whatever they touch. Talk about multitasking. Fact number 4, in space, astronauts grow taller. With no gravity compressing their spine, astronauts can stretch up to 2 inches taller while in orbit. Unfortunately, they shrink back when they return to Earth. Fact number 5, did you know Saturn could float in water? It's made mostly of gas, and its average density is less than water. So, if you had a gigantic cosmic bathtub, Saturn would bob on the surface like a beach ball. Fact number 6, there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists estimate about 3 trillion trees, compared to around 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Earth is greener than we think. Fact number 7, your stomach gets a brand new lining every 3 to 4 days. Without this, your powerful stomach acid would digest you. Fact number 8, humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, next time you eat one, remember, you're more related to that fruit than you'd like to admit. Fact number 9, sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. No wonder we tell people to cover your mouth. Fact number 10, your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Every time you think, neurons fire tiny electrical impulses, and if combined, they could keep a bulb glowing. Fact number 11, Napoleon Bonaparte wasn't actually short. He was about 5 feet 6 inches to 5 feet 7 inches, average for his time. The myth of him being tiny came from British propaganda. Fact number 12, the Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. Heat makes the metal expand, and it can grow about 6 inches higher when it's hot. Fact number 13, Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the Great Pyramid. She lived around 30 BC, while the Great Pyramid was built around 2500 BC. Mind-blowing timeline shift. Fact number 14, there's a species of fungus called Ophiocordyceps that can control the brains of ants. It makes the ants climb to a high spot, then the fungus grows out of their bodies and spreads spores. Basically, nature's real-life zombie apocalypse. And there you have it, 14 niche fun facts that prove our world is full of surprises. From cube-shaped wombat poop to immortal jellyfish, from Saturn floating to your brain powering a light bulb, knowledge really is endless. If you enjoyed these nuggets, make sure to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week. Remember, the world is stranger, funnier, and more fascinating than we think, and with Knowledge Nuggets, you'll never stop learning. See you in the next one.